So here's a quick exercise that you can do so you can create a powerful vision for the next year. So the first step is to review your year that you just lived through. But you're going to do it with non-attachment, with non-judgment. You're going to see all the ups and downs of your life, of the events, of your accomplishments and your failures as equal. And just an experience of being in this world and just being acceptance of everything that showed up for you, and even grateful for the challenges that helped you become more aware and grow yourself. And so when we do that and when we stop judging our past year, we can start looking forward to the new year with a clean slate, like a clean mind, a pure mind, where we're actually creating a vision for 2024 that isn't about compensating for something we didn't do in 2023 or feeding an emotional need that wasn't filled in 2023. So review the last year, practice acceptance for everything that happened as just, another year of living, and then create a new vision for 2024, again, with non-attachment, non-judgment, just who you want to be and who you want to become. And it's a much lighter, freer way of creating a vision for the next year.